everyone. Welcome to our channel. Hope you are doing good. Merry Christmas to everyone. Merry Christmas to all of you. Hi. Today I'm going to share you my skincare routine and let's begin. First, I'm just going to remove my earrings. I have tied my hair into a ponytail and now I'm just gonna remove my makeup. First of all, I'm just gonna take some lens solution into a lens case. I just filled it with the solution. Now I'm gonna remove my lenses and place into the case, and then I'm gonna remove my another lens and I'm gonna place the same into the lens case, and here's the case. Next I'm going to eyelashes. Now I'm gonna use this plum makeup balm to remove my eye makeup. I'm just gonna take a small quantity on my finger and I'm just gonna emulsify it properly on my eyelashes, and you can see like how it's melting. Oops, now I'm looking like a panda. Now I'm just using a wet tissue and I'm just wiping it out. Please don't get scared, huh? I know I'm looking a little scary, but please bear me. Okay, and you can see how easily the makeup comes out. Please try to be gentle on your eyes. I mean, don't give much of pressure because it's the most delicate part of our face, so just be a little careful. Next, I'm just using the same makeup balm on my lips to remove my makeup, I mean my lipstick, and you can see how easily it comes out. I'm just using the same wet tissue to take it out, and see, you can see the results. Here I'm just using a wet sponge to just make my face a little wet, so that next I am gonna use this makeup remover from Mama Earth. It's a micellar water, so you just take out the cap and you just have to pump it out, and then you can just start. I'm using a wet tissue to wipe my face, and you can see like how easily you can clean your makeup. Here again I am just using a wet sponge. It was just dabbed in water, so you just wipe it out, and next I am just gonna splash some water on my face, and then I just cleaned it with some water and changed my dress as well. So now you can just dab your face with a dry towel, and here you can see my skin is all clean. Next I'm using this lip scrub. It's from Dot and Key. So you can see the cute pot. I am just going to open it, and it's in green color and it has a minty flavor. So I'm just going to take a little quantity and I'm just going to apply it on my lips, and then I am just going to scrub it out. And just remember that always, just whenever you use any kind of scrubber, always use it on a wet face. And even here also I have applied little water, and then I am applying this scrubber on my lips, and I am just trying to massage it in a circular motion. Once it is done, again I am just gonna wipe it out with a wet towel or a wet tissue. So I'm using a wet tissue to wipe my lip. Now I'm gonna use a face toner, and this one is from Mama Earth, rose water. So I'm just gonna take a little quantity on the wet tissue, and again I'm just gonna dab it on my face. So it is always best, if you're using any kind of toner or astringent on your face, always use it with a cotton or a wet tissue, or just take a tissue and just dab it on your face, so that it penetrates deep inside your pores, and it helps in shrinking the pore size as well. Next, I'm gonna use this vitamin C glow kit from Dot and Key. It has a vitamin C the serum and a sleep mask. So first, what I'm gonna do is to take the serum. Okay, it comes along with a very cute pair of socks, which you can wear in the night, and you can just sleep. And here I'm just taking few drops of serum on my hand, like on my fingertips, and then I'm just gonna apply it on my face, and I'm just gonna dab it. Now I'm using an under eye cream, and it's from Oriflame. So I'm just gonna take a one drop on my ring finger, and I'm just gonna gently massage it around my eye area, like on my dark circles. Next I'm using this sleep mask. It's again from Dot and Key. It's a vitamin C sleep mask. So I'm just gonna take a small quantity, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. Just apply a very thin layer all over your face and leave it for overnight. Next morning, just wash your face with the lukewarm water, and you can see the glow, and you can see your the dark spots whatever you have on your face will be lightened up. So keep doing the same skincare routine every night for better results. This sleep mask is very refreshing actually. It gives that orangey fragrance. So I actually liked it. So next step is for lips. I'm using this sleep mask for lips, and it's again from Dot and Key, and it comes in a very cute pot. And I'm just gonna take a little amount on my finger, and I'm just gonna apply it with my finger itself. And you can see it's highly pigmented, and it gives a very beautiful color. And you are supposed to leave it for overnight, and next morning you'll be able to see the results, like your lips will be very moisturized and hydrated. And I'm done. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Good night. Take care. Bye bye. Have a sound sleep.